So he puts some force on you. You touch his base, vital breathe. And now just extend the energy. That's it. Extend, 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 extend. And now you give a little bit more force, and you stretch through his force and generate repelling. Now as he comes in, sorry if I'm floating you, it's just a side effect. Now keep that on, keep it constant, keep it constant. Keep radiating. That's it, and just keep that feeling. Don't drop the arms. Now as he comes in, find the peak. Yep, find the peak. Yep. Now right at that moment where you feed in, where that happens, there's a feeling of this, whoop, and there's a repelling effect between your hand and him. Then take that repelling effect, go, there it is, now you touch me, and there's a repelling effect. And that's my standing frequency.